Together through the land, keep the spirit, keep the way. For the system make a stand, unity will win the day. Raise your banner high, strength to strength and line by line. Unity must never die.